What is celiac disease? Celiac disease, sometimes called celiac sprue or gluten-sensitive enteropathy, is an immune reaction to eating gluten. Gluten is a type of protein found in wheat, barley, and rye. Celiac disease may also be hereditary, meaning it runs in families. An estimated 1 in 133 Americans, or about 1% of the population, has celiac disease, so it's not very rare at all. For people with celiac disease, eating gluten, even tiny bits of it, triggers an immune response in their small intestine. The immune cells damage the intestinal villi, or the small finger-like growths in the small intestine, causing it to become flattened, thus reducing the absorptive surface. Damage in the intestinal villi prevents it from absorbing some nutrients in the body. The intestinal damage causes diarrhea, fatigue, weight loss, bloating, anemia, skin problems, and can lead to serious complications. In children, malabsorption can affect growth and development besides causing the symptoms seen in adults. Currently, there are no pharmaceutical treatments or cures for celiac disease. A 100% gluten-free diet is the only existing treatment for celiac disease today. A gluten-free diet means that the patient needs to avoid foods that contain wheat, rye, and barley, like pasta, bread, and cereal. Patients should also learn to read nutrition labels and ingredient lists carefully and learn to find hidden sources of gluten because gluten can sometimes sneak its way into products like vitamins, supplements, condiments, and spreads. Accidentally consuming hidden gluten may not produce any noticeable reaction but may cause damage to the intestine and should be avoided. Once gluten is eliminated in the diet, improvement in patients is evident in several weeks, but mucosal healing can take years. Again, thanks so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video.